One time. Just do it one time. One time. Let's get this bread. We, in fact, are back. Me, truck over there, bye-bye. Brian, hi. We are, I told you we'd come back, so we're coming back. We're gonna go climb on the cement factory. We're on the railroad tracks currently. Making our way over there. You used to be able to drive your truck in all this area out here. You'll definitely be able to see it better as we get on top and can look out a little bit, but not the most exciting thing. It's no skyscraper in the middle of New York City, but I've never done this before, so it should be interesting. So there's a big, huge warehouse. We'll go inside of it. It's got a lot of open area inside. People used to come in and do donuts and stuff. And over here we have the cement factory. We'll find a little path to go through. Looks like as good as it's gonna get. That wide bow tie parkour. Ooh. Any hobos out here? What's going on? We'll go take a look at the warehouse first. Warehouse. Used to be a bunch of couches and stuff in here too. Let's blur that out. When the wind's blowing, that big flap up there is going back and forth and it's pretty sketchy. I would not drive my truck in here for anything. There's glass and all kinds of stuff. So this area right outside here used to be a big mud pit before all the grass came up. Brian's got to pee,
what
but...
the fuck, dude?
Look here, I'll turn around this way. I need to talk to you. Just go pee. I got to talk to you. Just pee. Look, nobody can see anything. There's a hobo over there. I swear, he's got a fire going and everything. I'm looking right at him. Should we go? Should we get him in the video?
Bro, what the fuck is that?
There's a hobo over there.
Where?
Right underneath the cement factory. We're gonna go talk to him. This got real sketchy really quick. There's somebody over there. I can't decide if we're gonna send it or not. All right, final verdict. We, after concurring, we took a closer look. There is a gentleman over there. I'm not sure why, but he's definitely got some kind of power tool cutting on something, and that's not sitting well. So we're gonna head out. Maybe we'll come back later on today. Definitely coming back another day, but parkour maybe? Oh. This is going to be the extent of our video today. A little bit of parkour. Ryan's going to make it. Ooh, that's a nice one. I believe in you. I'm kind of mad we couldn't go over there. If he didn't have a power tool. I mean, it's 2-on-1, but some kind of like hand saw or something. Yeah. I mean, there's one set of stairs that goes up and he's sawing into some metal and there's sparks flying right in front of the stairs, so. I did, yeah. Come on. You don't want to go on the cement factory. You don't want to do some parkour with me. Man, that's crazy. Woo! Ta-da! Come on, Slowpoke. So that concludes the video for today. I'm a little disappointed, but just know we will be back. We will be back.